This is indeed huge. Of course, appeals, he does have some options at hand. But what next? I'd like to ask Sahil Joshi. Sahil, you did mention about Arthur Road Jail being prepared for Nirav Modi. In fact, reserved for him for quite some time now. All right, let me quickly cut across to Divyesh there. Divyesh, if you can hear me, I'd like to cut across to Divyesh. Divyesh, Arthur Road Jail in Mumbai reserved for Nirav Modi, a big win for India as the UK court announces Nirav Modi's extradition. If you can take us through the details here, the UK court, the judge there particularly rules that Barak 12 at Mumbai's Arthur Road Jail in Mumbai, in fact, is absolutely fit for Nirav Modi.
Yes, Ramila, this barrack number 12 was a specially prepared barrack by the jail authorities in Maharashtra, India, and that was there was a video that was shot. All the facilities that were there in this particular barrack was shared with the UK authorities, with the UK court. Videography was done at the same barrack, which was also shared by the Westminster court. All the facilities were shown, all the sanitation facilities, hygiene facilities, and also the needed medical facilities for the occupants of this barrack was shown to the Westminster court, after which now that the court has ruled that Nirav Modi could be extradited on charges of money laundering, conspiracy and various others. He could, if he is extradited, he will be lodged in the Arthur Road Prison's barrack number 12, which is a special barrack created to lodge Nirav Modi and other fugitive economic offenders like Vijay Mallya, whose proceedings are still going on in UK court. As of now, the barrack is completely ready, it's completely sanitized, and it is as per norms, considering all the norms that had been pointed out, that had been raised by Nirav Modi. All those things have been taken care of, and the facilities have been shared with the Westminster court by Indian authorities through their lawyers in UK. And now that the evidence has been established, the evidence has been considered by the Westminster court, this order has come that Nirav Modi will be extradited. Only thing is that if he appeals in court, the further proceedings could happen in the upper court. But this is a major boost for the Indian agencies, for the Indian government.
This is a big win for India, considering India has been attempting at his extradition for quite a while now. Munish, if you can take us through